I love teaching dance. I've been doing it for over 20 years now, and I couldn't do it if I didn't love it.
What are some of your struggles with teaching?
The boys and girls aren't used to touching each other in an appropriate manner, so getting them to be able to get into dance position is probably the biggest struggle. Who's 5 years older than me, and she was taking dance class, and I was dragged along with my mom because she was the taxi driver, and I was sitting in the corner of the dance studios playing with my Legos, and there was a lady dance teacher that had a free moment, and she saw me tapping my foot to some music, and she ended up grabbing me and teaching me how to do the cha-cha. So that was the beginning of my dance career at 5 years old.
So, how was it learning how to dance?
At first, it was really confusing and hard. Like at first, I would mess up a lot because
you didn't really know the moves too well.
Yeah.
Were any of the dance moves pretty hard?
There was one. The underarm turn was particularly hard because a lot of the people were taller than me, and a lot of the times I couldn't get my arm over.
And then we would all mess up, and I would my reactions or whatever I did would affect 3 other people or 3 other pairs.
When you were dancing with a partner for the first time or the second time or just any time in general, was it awkward?
The first time, yes, very awkward.
Was it awkward to dance with a partner?
Yeah. Doesn't matter who it was just kind of weird.
Over the past times we've been doing it,
the various classes?
Yeah. It's gotten a little more comfortable because we're a lot more mature.
And just try to be positive about it, because the more positive you are and the more that your partner sees you smile, and they'll stay more positive, because you shouldn't be afraid to, instead of just pulling away, you should actually just follow through with it, because then you're setting a good example for others and they won't find it as scary as it seems.
Okay, now everybody's got this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rock. All got that, yes? Right, now we're going to do this. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to turn them all the way around like that. Do it right.
I think the nicest thing I like about teaching all of those grades, actually 5th and 6th, is that teaching someone that's never done anything before and going from ground zero and seeing how quickly they progress.
2, 3, rock, step. You lift it. You rock, you lift it. 3, rock, step, you roll, you rock. 3, rock, step. 1, 2, 3.
I think that even if you mess up, then you should still try your best. It's okay if you mess up because you'll probably mess up a lot. But if you don't mess up, then you'll probably, like when you do mess up, you'll probably get more angry at yourself. But if you mess up more often, then you'll teach yourself to get it right.
Why did you like dancing and why? Wait.
So, how did you feel about dancing with the partner?
Well, at first I was kind of not sure about it because I never danced with a partner before really. But then once we started doing it, I really liked it. It wasn't bad at all.
Was doing the dance workshops as bad as you thought it was going to be?
Actually, not really. Ended up being okay. I thought it was going to be just completely bad, thumbs downy, but it was okay.
I think it seemed nerve-wracking at first when she was like, you have to hold hands with someone who's the opposite gender, but it's fun in my opinion, and I think it gets out the nerves for me.
How'd you feel about the dance workshop?
It was challenging, and you know, like we're not used to dancing with partners, so we were kind of just, it was new to us.
But sometimes when you had a partner who was not doing the same beat as you, like once I actually fell down because he was like moving his arms the other way.
What was it like dancing with other people, do you think?
It really depends on the person. I think like certain people, it was very like smooth and they danced really well, and then other people it was more like they kept a lot steadier of a beat or things like that, but it was different. It depended on the person.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how horrible was it? 10 being completely unbearable and 1 being okay.
I would say either 2 or 1. It wasn't that bad.
For me, my favorite part was probably the challenge of it. I like to dance sometimes, usually not in public. But I like the challenge of learning how to dance swing, and the challenge with working with a partner, which is also kind of awkward. What was the best thing?
The best thing is probably that it was like fun and nobody was really like acting mean or like they didn't want to dance with like a certain person. So, and then like, afterward we would high five each other.
It's confusing at first. Like a lot of us got confused on what to do. Fifth position. You open the hand. When you
1, 2, 3, let go.
How did you get it?
I mean, I still really messed up on it at the performance. So technically I really did not get it, but I did improve on it.
It was fun learning like something new, but I think it was, well, this is sort of like an awkward kind of new, like learning to hold someone's hands and like getting in the right position and knowing what to do.
How do you feel when other people are watching you dance?
I thought it was fine. I mean, I wasn't embarrassed or anything. I was kind of proud of it a little bit.
How do you think the performance at the night for the pants went?
Well, it was okay because we were all kind of bumping into each other, but I don't think they noticed.
I thought it was really fun how it was upbeat. Like if we did a really slow dance, I think that would be boring. But I thought it was also cool how there was like a band, so it was just like really upbeat and like I felt like I was at like a party or something.
Not until the end when we were actually at the concert did I kind of freak out like, oh, I'm worried I'll mess up. During the performance, my shoe kind of fell off, so it was kind of hard to dance.
Underarm turn, that was pretty hard, but I think I got it down.
Yes, I did like dancing, and because I got to dance with people. And then when I didn't, well, I was practically controlling the boys because I'm stronger than
But aren't the boys the leads?
Yes, but I'm stronger than most boys. Ha ha ha.
Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Blue birds singing a song, nothing but blue birds all day long. Never saw the sun shining so bright, never saw things going so right. Noticing the days hurrying by, when you're in love, my how they fly. Blue birds, all of them gone, nothing but blue skies from now on.
What advice would you give a younger student who's just starting out dancing at Lakeland?
Don't freak out because everybody else with you is nervous as well.
Miss Church always says that you'll thank her when you're older, so it might help you in the future.
I would say dance like nobody is watching. And have confidence in yourself.
Did you think you were a good dancer?
It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to answer, but sort of.
Shining so bright, never saw things going so right. Noticing the days hurrying by, when you're in love, my how they fly. Blue days, all of them gone, nothing but blue skies.